Hi, I'm Shane with Ron CNC Service. We have 30 plus years in the manufacturing industry. Welcome to our website.
Sleek designs, superior technology, rugged materials, American craftsmanship. Only Greenlight's LED magnifiers from OC White have it all. New 4-diopter optical grade glass lenses. Hand-built one at a time by lighting craftsmen. Total control at your fingertips. Designed to take industrial grade abuse. Greenlight's LED magnifiers from OC White feature an innovative swivel design that is adjustable along 3 axes. Up and down, left or right, side to side. Simply loosen the set knob, adjust the magnifier to the position you prefer, and tighten. You control the high-performance, low-voltage LEDs with the master switch. Press the power button to turn on the unit. Your last setting is recalled automatically. Press and hold the power button to adjust the brightness level of OC White's next-generation LEDs to the intensity you prefer. Press the sequence button to toggle through 5 lighting sector options. OC White uses multi-angle LEDs that provide shadowless lighting at the full range of heights and focal lengths. The intensity level you set remains constant as you toggle through the lighting sector options. To turn off the light manually, press the power button. Greenlight's LED magnifiers from OC White include an automatic timer function that turns off the unit at 4 hours and 5 minutes. To enable the timer, press and hold both master switch buttons for 2 seconds. The unit blinks once and the timer is on. To disable the timer, press and hold both buttons for 2 seconds. The unit blinks twice and the timer is off. Greenlights are available in 9 colors: Blaze Red, Spectre Blue, Brilliant Orange, Carbon Black, Charcoal Mist, Racing Green, Shadow White, Silver, Blazing Yellow, and Medical White. Greenlight's LED magnifiers from OC White set the new standard. Cast aluminum shades and steel arms for ESD safety. Optical grade glass and the largest lenses in the industry. 3-axis adjustability for total control. Striking designs and brilliant finishes. Patented arms with superior holding power. 5-year, 50,000-hour LED warranty. And a 10-year mechanical warranty, the best in the business. The Greenlight series from OC White, the most intelligently designed, energy-efficient, highest output, and longest-lasting line of inspection lighting systems in the world. There is truly no comparison.